Okay, with a bunch of revenge missions done, I now feel like I could take on anything, like the next ranking fight. And sadly, this next fight is also a member of the Elite Four, the third one. So we've got one Elite Four battle right after the other. But, thankfully, I think I can do this one a bit better, since it's not as hard. Or at least not as annoying. Well, actually, I take that back, and you'll see why soon.
A man from the East had acquired power. Real power. Beyond brute strength or deadly weapons. Beyond technology or gimmicks. It's the power all humans have, but few learn to harness. It subdues all enemies with the sheer force of its will. When fighters who wield this clash, the battle is epic. They see it in each other and form a brotherhood. It becomes a test of their souls. Maybe someday we'll be the spectators of such a battle.
Yeah. So anyways, this is the rank 7th battle, I think. The last fight was rank 8, right? Whatever, it's not important. Anyways, this is the fight against this guy on this weird-ass motorcycle. Okay, seriously, why did you design it like that? Is there any practical purposes to it? Or whatever. And now starts one of the most annoying sequences in the game. The bike battle. I do not care for this sequence at all. Why? Because the controls are total ass. Basically, here's what you can do. You can accelerate, you can brake, you can use nitro, you can steer, and that's it. You're in this circular area with very limited room, and you can't do a whole lot. You can only move and hope this guy doesn't bump you off the edge. Because this is what you need to do. You need to bump this guy off the edge. And all the moves you could desperately use, he can use himself. Oh shit, I'm gonna die here. Oh. Holy crap, you can back up you can back up your bike. I did not know that. Well, hell, I wish I had known that a long time ago. But I still fail. Yeah, so this is how this usually goes. He usually just knocks me off a whole bunch of times, or I just drive off, until I eventually just luck out and beat him. Anyways, this guy's name is Ryuji, and this bike sequence is ridiculously stupid. Come on. Show me what you're made of. Okay. Where is he? Right there? Oh shit. This is kind of the problem with the fight on bitter mode, is that he revs up his bike way more, so it's next to impossible to actually hit him, since he's invincible while doing that. Let's try that again! Maybe this time I'll actually succeed? I kinda doubt it. Come on. Take that, you pansy. Oh shit. Where are you? He's right over there. Good. Oh, I got him. Ah! Whoa! Come on. I fail. Maybe I can back it up and maybe I can't. When the game lets me back it up, I can back it up. I hate this bike sequence. It's just frustratingly retarded. Okay, he drove off himself, alright. Take that, you douchebag. Oh, I call bullshit. No way. He flew right off the cliff. Okay, that wasn't very kind. Let go. Take this. Damn. Okay, I have to give this guy props. If he can stand up after that, he's got a pretty tough skull, but not very strong teeth.
Go!
Ah, so this guy uses beam katanas as well. And thus starts the real battle with Ryuji. Oh, that was just me being an idiot. Come on, do that again. Basically what you need him to do is do that, dodge roll, then hit him. Also, you may notice I'm using the new beam katana, the Rose Nasty. It's probably my favorite weapon in the game, and it's probably what I'll be using for the rest of the game. So get used to it. There may be situations where I might switch it up a little, but for the most part I'm just going to be using this for the rest of the game. Is that all you got? Also, since I haven't shown it off yet, the step-in slice. You just do that by shaking the nunchuck. You can also do it in the middle of combos. It's not as strong as the running attack, but you don't need to be running to do it. Take that! Ryuji's not too terribly tough, at least not yet. Is that all you got? Anyways, the deal with the Rose Nasty is, it's really fast, it's got long combos, but it's not very powerful. However, it does have the added effect of having an incredibly long battery life and recharging really fast. Watch. Recharges insanely fast, which makes it really useful. Come on. Just wait until he gets into his tougher phase, though. Then the fight takes on a whole new edge. If he just did this for the whole fight, it would be pretty easy, but the next part, it gets tough. Come on. Ah. Oh, here we go. He's entering his next phase. Get ready for this. Oh, I interrupted it. Alright, I can live with that. But just wait until he uses it. Oh. I got lucky. I managed to interrupt him when he first did it, so I don't have to show it off for a little bit. But trust me, it's nasty when he does it. Come on. Actually, don't. Oh, here he goes. Here's what he does. He summons a giant-ass dragon, and that thing freaking hurts. So don't get hit by it. Luckily, I had ecstasy mode activated, so I'm invincible right now. Alright, he'll just die, so I have to wait for him. Take this, and some of this, and some of this. Oh shit. Yeah, that dragon is very nasty. Be careful. Now, at the end of its attack, it'll go underground. You have to be careful, because it'll come up eventually. There. That thing freaking hurts if it hits you, so watch out. Oh, here he goes again. Try to recharge real quick. Here it comes. Whoa, whoa. Luckily, you can block it fairly easy. I just recommend dodge rolling around it to avoid getting hit by it. Oh, here it comes. Whenever the ground beneath you starts to light up, that means the dragon is about to attack you. Haha! Oh, jeez, that was lucky. I almost got hit by him. Is this all you got, Ryuji? Because I'm kind of disappointed. Okay, that's not very nice. I'm just charging so I can block it if necessary. Okay, good. I think I avoided it. Come on. Ah, shit. That's what happens when it hits you. It hurts. Come on. Yep, plenty of beam katana for you, right through your face. Oh, jeez. Haha. Come on. Alright, he's almost dead. Okay, charging. Just a little bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Back off, pal. Ah! Okay, that wasn't... Oh, jeez. Now he's kicking my ass. Oh! Come on. Take that. You meaty. Okay. Attack. Recharge, Travis. Okay. If I can just get him in one more combo, I should be able to kill him. Whoa! What the hell happened there? I dodged that! Damn you unresponsive controls! Actually, the controls in the game work pretty well most of the time. Sometimes you just get unlucky. Oh. Okay. Whoa! Come on! Yes! Alright! Well, aside from the bike segment, this went fairly well. Yeah! Take that! Ooh! But who won? Find out right now. And it looks like Travis is the winner of this bout. Yeah! Yeah! Well, good match, Ryuji. Though the bike segment kind of sucked. Oh wait, what the fuck? Sylvia! What the hell was that for?
You beat him. He had nothing left.
I know that, but he was a true warrior.
That was kind of cruel, Sylvia.
This is not some PV karate tournament, Travis. You do not take bows and go home. You are an assassin. And killing is how you win. But what? He fought honorably, so he wasn't letting you. So he can come back stronger and cut you in half.
Yeah.
You are developing a bad habit. First that dumb schoolgirl, now him?
Well, hey, when I spared Shinobu,
job,
good things happened.
or we will do it for you.
Come
These
on.
fights are not a sport.
Eh.
Shit.
Sylvia, you're a meanie. Go away. Ryuji, dead. Well, whatever. Rank up for me, anyways. Feel kind of bad, but oh well. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, but when we come back, we're going to get to play as a special guest this time. And he's quite cool. So until next time, see ya.